Hi, I'm Dana Lynn, staff with the Joint Legislative Audit and Review Committee. We reviewed the objective and results for a 2006 B&O tax credit for businesses that partner with community or technical colleges for employee training through the Customized Training Program, which is administered by the State Board for Community and Technical Colleges. The B&O tax credit is for 50% of the training costs and is scheduled to expire July 1st, 2021. The program and credit work like this. Businesses partner with a public or private community or technical college to provide training for their employees. If funding is available, a business applies to the State Board, and if the application is approved, the business and State Board sign a contract. The State Board pays the full training cost to the college from a state account that's established for this program. Once training is complete, the business pays 25% of the training costs back to the State Board. Then, over the next 18 months, the business pays the remaining 75%. Those payments go back into the state account to fund future training. For each repayment, the business can take a B&O tax credit for 50% of the amount they paid. The stated objective for this preference was to attract and retain new and expanding businesses to Washington. We found that B&O tax credit is not achieving the objective. From June 2006 through November 2019, over 13 years, 61 businesses used the credit. 81% of the users had been in Washington for at least 11 years, so the preference didn't attract many new businesses. 31% of the users had less than 50 employees. The law notes that businesses with less than 50 employees should receive preference to use the tax program. And the value of the preference is equal to 0.008% of the combined gross income of the businesses. Given its small size, it's unlikely to influence business location decisions. The credit isn't meeting the stated objective, so the legislative auditor recommends the legislature allow the preference to expire as scheduled on July 1st, 2021. If the legislature wants to maintain the same level of funding for customized training, it could redirect funding associated with the tax preference to other existing training programs, such as the Job Skills Training Program. The Job Skills Program is also administered by the State Board and awards grants to businesses through a competitive application process to cover the full cost of employee training. When compared to the Customized Training Program, the Job Skills Program is better funded, serves more businesses, and trains more employees. Check out our website for more on this and other tax preference reviews.